Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujit here from Benzene, and today in this video, I'm going to talk about a very simple topic, how to create a Jira service management project. So let's start. Creating a Jira service management project is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is go to your navigation bar, click on projects and select the create new project. You will be directed to a page as shown on the screen right now, where you'll have to select service management. Now, the next step in creating the project is to select the type of Jira Service Management project you want to create. Now, there are multiple options here which we can use. One is to create a blank project where you can customize the flow, the ticket type from scratch, or Jira comes with predefined set of templates based on the department which wants to use it. If you can scroll down, there are predefined templates for IT service management, customer service management, HR service management, finance, facilities. So if you are looking for any of these departments, you can go ahead and create a project with predefined set of template. Once you narrow down on the type of project you want to use, all you have to do is click on that and click on use template button here. Once you click on use template, you will be directed to a page where you will have to fill a certain details. The first one is the project name itself. For in this example, I've written it as sample service management. The second important thing is to select the type of team which will use this project. There are multiple options here covering most of the departments or type of teams which are present in any organization. All you have to do is select one type, which the type of team which will use Jira Service Management. And the next step is to select if the portal will be restricted to a certain set of users or it is publicly open for everyone in the organization. The last step is to click on Create Project itself. Once you click on Create Project, the project will be created and you will be directed to the dashboard or homepage of the project like how it is shown on the screen. The project is now ready to be used. The next step is to customize the workflow, the forms based on your need. So this is how we create a Jira service management project in Jira. And I hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe to our channel to see or to watch more videos on Jira service management. Thank you.